Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of the EcoStruxure Operator Terminal Expert. I'm your host, Leandro Mal, and in this video what we're going to see is how we can work with the date and time display option. So let's go to the software. So I have this template program that I have access to on HMISTU I have next to me. That HMISTU has a possibility to use the web viewer. Okay, so I'm going to show the HMI from my PC directly. So let's work with this option. So this option would allow us to show in a date and time format the date and time of the HMI or any other things. So what we need to do is to go to the screen that we want to, go to tool chest, and I'm going to expand everything. And here in parts, you should be able to see this date and time display. This date and time display has the possibility to show date and time or date. Okay, and then you can have the possibility to select how you want to represent that. So if you go to properties here, select this one, functions, here you see the format. Okay, now if you run this like this, simulate, it will show 0. It will not show the actual date and time of your PC or your HMI. We show 0. Okay, default date and time. Okay, and that is because it's not linked to the date and time of the HMI. So if I go here and select here target, this will be target 01. Okay, the target 01 is this one. Okay, if you want, you can change this to, for example, my HMI. Okay, we'll change the default name of the target. So screen 1, again, select this one, go to current, value, target, my HMI, and here you can find date and time. Okay, that's wonderful. Then you should be able to see the date and time like this. But what happens if you don't want to show this in this way? No worries at all. So Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay, and here you're going to select the format. The format is going to be, for example, this one. Okay, but it wouldn't be good if we go target and here select the date instead of date and time. Okay, now if I Ctrl C, Ctrl V, here I'm going to change the format. Let's set here at the bottom hours, minutes, and seconds. And here, instead of date, we just need to select target time. Good. Now if you simulate this, you should be able to find like this. This is the actual date and time, which is good. Okay, the problem will be that I should be able to change this. My case is synchronized with other things, but you should be able to change this. Okay, so let's have a look. So imagine that I'm going to download this to the HMI, transfer to the HMI. Yes, yes. Okay. All right. I have one user, which is LTA. So let's wait for this one to finish. Downloading. Let's just wait. It's now downloading. Once it's finished, I'm going to open the web viewer so we can access to the HMI and make the modification there and see how it works. Okay. Going to take a little bit of time. Okay. Okay, let's finish. I will open the Explorer. Explorer here. The 64. or viewer. Let's wait for it to finish. It's loading. Okay, so this is the date and time. You can see it changed. This one because it's not synchronized with anything at all. We change the date and time. Days. So I should be able to go third thing. You see that is changing everything. Okay. It also has this example has a script that I should have deleted. But this is how you can use the display. Now, if you don't want someone to change this, so you probably have this at the top there, you don't want this to be changed, and then you need to select this one, disable this part. You should be able to see this in yellow because inside it says that you have for 2 directions. So target one way, okay, and I usually have this in another color, for example shape, exit fill, meaning that you cannot change this. Okay, and then if you want the manual change, you can go over here in the bottom of the screen, another screen, have the change date and time. Let me just download this. And then I will show you how it works. It's loading, it's booting up. It's gonna take a moment. Okay, good. There we go. Then I'm going to use the password. Okay. And here I cannot change from here, but from here I should be able to. So is 45, and then it change. But from here not. And then I believe on the system you also have the possibility to change this. Okay. See date and time and everything. But this is how you can visualize in your application the date and time. Right now I'm using the web viewer to connect to the HMI that I have next to me, so you can see it much better than the camera pointing to that. Okay, so this is how you can use the display. The date and time display option that we have in EcoStruxure Operator Terminal Expert. So it's very easy, very simple. It's very easy to use. In the next video, I'm going to show how to update the date and time using a PLC. I will try to use a PLC. We'll just put some variables there, but you get the idea later. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.